private information, juicy material. Hey everyone, this is Shirley, Creative Director of Rosados Box. Due to popular demand, we are currently answering questions from the superfan Rosettes, different demonstration videos every week. So the first one will be our unboxing. We've been getting a lot of requests for that. So that's what we're going to go through today. We're going to do the in-shop experience, and we're also going to do what you're going to receive through the mail. The first one is the in-shop experience. You're going to get a beautiful bag. We're going to go through that, I promise, in a little bit. And with that purchase, okay, we're going to go through the box first. If you got a men's band, the box is a little bit bigger for the guys. Beautiful shell with sustainably forested material on the outside for the box here and here. 100% vegan friendly. Same thing for the female box. Slightly smaller. And I can show you the ring as well. What it roughly looks like. And if you do purchase something that is not made through our shop, that's Rosados Box, but it is carried through our Love and Promise, it will come in a box that looks more like so. Alright, so with your purchase, it comes with typically a cleaning jar, that can be repurposed, and it's biodegradable solution for all your cleaning needs. Comes with also a polishing cloth and an envelope that contains even more surprises. Let's see what's inside. All right, we have a warranty card. If you did buy a moissanite, gotta cover up that number. Private information, juicy material. It also comes with a mini care cart that shows you how to clean your jewelry, how to keep it in good shape. You know, you can go to our rosadosbox.com. It will take you to the steps of how to keep that clean. We'll go through that demonstration in one of our future videos as well. And upon request, you can also get an appraisal. This is a dummy one, guys, so it's okay. It's to Julie. Okay. Roughly, you're gonna get this, and this will be sent to your insurance company. This authenticates the quality of your product beyond the certificate through the lab-grown companies. Okay. We suggest, if you do want a certificate of authenticity, to kind of request for it. There's absolutely no charge. So, last but not least is my favorite part, the beautiful tote. Here is a nice 360 view of this bag. Comes with a snap button for added security. You can store your paperwork, you can store your gym clothes, just about anything with this little bag. I mean, it's one of my favorites. I've used this bag for probably, not this exact one, but I have one at home, and I probably have had it for 4 years now, and it's still in pretty much mint condition. So it's a sturdy, wonderful addition to all your sustainable needs. If you do receive it in the mail, okay, it will be everything exactly the same. The only difference is that we kind of package it like this. That is the only difference. You get exact same materials and cleaning solutions and stuff like that, okay? All of our shipments come fully insured, and it has to be signed for. It will not be left on the front porch. We usually do 2-day UPS. We have express delivery available as well. For international, we do FedEx International Priority, which is the fastest option available, and it should arrive within 1 to 5 business days. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave any feedback or comments below. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. We'll be doing weekly videos on, how to style your product. You name it, we'll do it. As long as there's enough requests, right, guys? So please give us as much feedback as possible. If we can't answer you here, please feel free to reach out to us on Instagram, on our Question Tuesdays, on our stories. And if it doesn't fit within your time slot or time frame, please email us. We always have a team of reps that are willing and able to help and answer any of your jewelry questions. Stay tuned, guys.